यह मंत्र विश्व में छाएगा, भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। तन अनेक पर एक प्राण, स्वर अनेक पर एक गान। तन अनेक पर एक प्राण, स्वर अनेक पर एक गान। हम कण कण पर छा जाएंगे, बनकर भारत का स्वाभिमान। तत्वं पूषण अपावृणु, तत्वं पूषण अपावृणु, तत्वं पूषण अपावृणु का छंद ज्योति बरसाएगा, भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव विद्यालय लाएगा। थैंक यू।
संगठन solemnly pledge to work selflessly towards making India a strong and prosperous nation. We shall discharge our duties conscientiously to take our country to greater heights of sparkling achievements. We pledge to inculcate patriotism as well as cultural and ethical values among our countrymen through our services and actions. On KVS Foundation Day, today, we commit ourselves with dedication and devotion towards the betterment and development of our country and countrymen. Jai Hind.
We, the member of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, solemnly pledge to work selflessly toward making India a strong and prosperous nation.
We shall discharge our duties consistently to take our country to greater heights of sparkling achievements.
We pledge to inculcate patriotism as well as cultural and ethical values among our countrymen through our services and actions. On KVS Foundation Day, today we commit ourselves with dedication and devotion towards the betterment and development of our country and countrymen.
My dear colleagues and children of Kendriya Vidyalaya Aurangabad Kent, Shift 1 and Shift 2. I wish all of you and all the KVNs a very very happy Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Foundation Day. I congratulate all of you on the occasion of 57th KVS Foundation Day. The Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, the chain of central schools, is a system of premier central government schools in India that are instituted under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. In the beginning, it started with 20 regimental schools in 1963, which was taken over by a Government of India and called Central Schools, and the organization was called Central School Organization. Later on the schools were called Kendriya Vidyalayas and the organization was renamed as Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. As of October 2020, the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has a total of 1,243 schools in India and 3 abroad. These are divided among 25 regions. The 3 Kendriya Vidyalayas outside India is in Kathmandu, Moscow and Tehran. They are intended for children of Indian embassy staff and other expatriate employees of the Government of India. The motto of Kendriya Vidyalaya is Tattvam Pusham Apabrunu. O Pushan, the sun god, you please uncover that. It is a prayer to the sun god to uncover something so that what remains concealed underneath can be seen clearly. Uncover what? What is being desired to be seen? To understand the meaning properly, we should understand the whole verse. Hiranyamayena patrina satyasya vihitamukham tattvam pusham apabrunu satya dharmaya drishtaye. It means, O sun god, the face of the truth has been covered with a golden lead, which is very delusively attractive. O Pushan, the sun god, you please remove it. That means the lead, so that Satya, the truth, and Dharma, that lie concealed behind the lead, can be seen by us who are desirous of both of them. There are 4-fold objectives of Kendriya Vidyalayas. The first is to cater to the educational needs of the children of transferable central government employees, including defense and paramilitary personnel, by providing a common program of education. To pursue excellence and set pace in the field of school education, to initiate and promote experimentation and innovativeness in education in collaboration with other bodies like CBSE, the Central Board of Secondary Education, and National Council on Educational Research and Training, NCERT, etc. Fourthly, to develop the spirit of national integration and create a sense of Indianness among children. A uniform curriculum is followed by the schools all over India by providing a common syllabus and school system of education, common textbooks and bilingual medium of instructions, that is English and Hindi for all Kendriya Vidyalayas are followed. All the Kendriya Vidyalayas are affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE, and they are co-educational composite schools. Kendriya Vidyalayas have become the pace-setting institution among the government schools by encouraging innovations and experimentations in pedagogical approaches. The NEP 2020 National Education Policy of 2020 opens up wider scope of pedagogical methodologies, integration of technology in learning and new approaches in learning. Amidst the challenges and threats posed by COVID-19 pandemic, Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers have been continuously striving hard to facilitate the teaching learning process through online mode. I congratulate and thank all the Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers as well as the staff for their untiring efforts. The alumni of Kendriya Vidyalayas have become stars and brought glory to the nation in various fields. To name a few, science and technology, art, culture, film, and so on. Today, though we cannot celebrate the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Foundation Day physically, we are celebrating it virtually. Many activities are being conducted virtually throughout the country, and many of our students and staff are participating in the programs. Long live Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and all the KVNs. Thank you all.
Hi fellow KVNs, I'm Smriti Mitra, batch of 2010. It's been 10 years, but it feels just like yesterday when I was walking down the same path as you. Being in Kendriya Vidyalaya Aurangabad taught me a lot of things, like the importance of adjusting to the constant changes of life and how to cope up with them, the importance of companionship and empathy, but above all, the opportunities that offered me to learn from my peers and batchmates, besides the nurturing that I received from the capable teachers at school. One of the best opportunities that I received in Kendriya Vidyalaya Aurangabad were the inter-KV competitions, conferences and camps where I represented the school with my friends. This helps us develop an immense sense of camaraderie. This was one of the most humbling experiences where we got to meet of talented people from across the country. Today, I am studying MBA from IIM Bangalore and many of my friends are pursuing their dreams as well. We are still in contact with each other and push each other towards our aspirations. Key takeaway of this part of your life is going to be how to adjust and take benefits of your adversities and situations around you. Grabbing onto those national level opportunities that really sets you apart from other students in the country, and of course making friends for life. Wish you all the best for all your future endeavors, and I'm sure you'll live up to the reputation of being a proud KVN. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Neha Samant. I'm currently practicing in Nainital, Uttarakhand. I am actually from 2010-2011 batch of KV Aurangabad, and let me get this through first. Courtesy my father being in armed forces, I actually had the fortune of being schooled in 5 different schools all over India. But till this day, the most impactful and the most memorable memories of my school life are all from KV Aurangabad. I was never nerdy nerd. I'm still not. But thanks to all the opportunities that I got to explore in KV Aurangabad, not just the academic goals that I had, but also the extracurricular aspects that I always have my eyes on, I actually think all that shaped me as a person that I am today. I remember all our teachers were just wonderful. All those mind-opening social science classes of Mrs. Modali ma'am, all those very interesting scientific sessions by Mrs. Shaheen ma'am. I remember Mr. Joshi sir simply making us fall in love with maths, and those adorable first classes of our days by Janki Raman Jha sir. I really miss the morning assembly, the sports day, the annual day, and preparing for all of them. I fondly remember how every week we had some inter-house competitions lined up and how excited we used to get for all those. Thanks to KV Aurangabad, that I have such a beautiful friendships that I still value to this day. I am really hoping to meet you all. Wish everyone the best of whatever they want, and thank you for including me in this beautiful venture. Have a good day.
Hello everyone, I'm Aditya Turlapati and I'm a pass out of 2010-11 batch of Kendriya Vidyalaya Aurangabad. It's almost been 10 years now, but all the memories are so fresh. Kendriya Vidyalaya has been an integral part of my holistic development, I would say. Right from around 8th, 9th standard, I was actively participating in the extracurriculars. The kind of support that I've got through Klein ma'am especially, and also Joshi sir in the arts and the other competitions that we had. It was an amazing experience how we get different opportunities that I would say you should leverage and grab them because I remember the clusters, the different events in sports, also similarly in social science, the exhibitions, not only that, but the cultural events. I remember I hosted the annual day function. Apart from that, the basic daily assembly is something I miss a lot. And overall, it has been an amazing journey. The kind of support that we got through the faculty, not only in academics, but the overall development. Also, the peer group that we got, the friends that we made for life. It's been 10 years, but we've been the same. Every time we meet, we remember those days. The time we used to spend during our lunch times, during our games. So I would tell all of you currently studying at Kendriya Vidyalaya, these are the best days. Use all the opportunities the best way you can and make the best out of it. Encourage each other, make friends, and these friends will be there for you for a long time. All the best to all of you and have a great year ahead.